Welcome to my 30-day series where I'm giving you one SQL lesson per day for the next 30 days. Today is day 2, so we're going over the basics of the select statement. And we're going to write our first SQL code. So if you want to follow along, you can use a free online SQL compiler. I'm using this one from Programiz. All right, so the select statement is the command you use to identify which columns you want to pull from the database. So one of my tables here is called orders, and I have 4 columns in this table: order ID, item, amount, and customer ID. My boss asked me to pull a list of all of the order IDs and the item that was bought. So I need these 2 fields, order ID and item. So all I need to do is type select, followed by the columns or fields that I want to pull. I like to put each field on a new line so that I can quickly see which fields I'm pulling. You will need to add a comma after each field, except for the last one that you're pulling. Next, you need to indicate which table you are taking your data from. I have 3 tables here, and I'm pulling this data from the orders table. So I'm gonna say from orders, and that's all the code I need to write. It's good practice to add a semicolon at the end of your SQL code and to indent each field you are selecting. You might see some people write all of their commands in uppercase, but you don't really need to do that. I prefer not to. All right, let's run this code. And we see the 2 columns that we pulled, order ID and item. If you want to pull every single column in your table, you can just use an asterisk instead of typing out the name of each and every field. So when we do that, we get our entire table of data. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to filter your data using the where clause, so make sure to follow for more.